Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own affiliate marketing program for your Wix online store. Whether you're just starting out or ready to take your sales to the next level, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get affiliate partners promoting your products and how to make it all run smoothly. Let's dive right in. The journey begins inside your Wix dashboard. First things first, you'll want to head straight to the Wix App Market. Think of this as the app store for your website, packed with tools that will supercharge your business. In the search bar, type in Affiliate Builder. That's the app you'll use to create and manage your affiliate program. Once you've found Affiliate Builder, go ahead and add it to your site. This doesn't take long, and it's just like adding any other app or plugin. At this point, the app will install itself and bring you into the Affiliate Builder dashboard. Now, this dashboard is your command center for everything affiliate related. So take a moment to get comfortable here. Before you get ahead of yourself, you'll need to set up the basic settings. This is a critical step, so don't rush. Settings usually include things like commission rates, payment schedules, branding details, and what you want your affiliates to see. Making these choices carefully now will save you headaches later. For example, if you set your commission too low, affiliates may lose interest, too high, and your profit margins shrink. Adjust these settings to match your goals for the program. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and activate the app. It's a simple click, but it's a big deal. It means your affiliate program is officially live and ready for action. At this point, you'll see something cool: widgets. These are interactive tools that you or your affiliates can use. Widgets let people sign up for your program, track their performance, and more. Think of widgets as the storefront window for your affiliate program. They make everything easier and help your team stay organized. Now, to really get everything humming along, there are 6 quick but important steps you need to finish. Let's talk about each one. First, open up your Wix dashboard if you aren't already in it. This step just means switching back to your main admin area, where you control your site's content, marketing, and customer management. Literally, clicking the dashboard gets you where you need to be. Second, you'll head over to email marketing. This is the space within Wix that lets you create and send professional-looking emails to your customers or potential affiliates. Don't worry if you've never done this before. Wix has made it pretty user-friendly. Third, select a template for your email. Templates are ready-made designs. Think of them like choosing wrapping paper before you send a gift. Pick one that matches your brand and feels right for your affiliate invitation or announcement. Fourth, add your guide content. This is what will help your new affiliates get started. For example, you might include a quick how to sign up section, tips for sharing links on social media, or even sample promotional messages. The clearer your guide, the more confident your affiliates will feel about spreading the word. Fifth, select your recipients. You can choose existing customers, your email list, potential partners, or influencers who might want to join. If you're just starting out, begin with your most engaged contacts. They're likely to jump in. Sixth, send those emails. Sometimes this part feels scary, but remember, you're inviting people to earn money with you, not spamming them. A thoughtful, personalized message goes a long way. Once all that is done, circle back to the Affiliate Builder and open the Active Affiliates section. Here's where you'll see everyone who's signed up for your program. This dashboard is great for keeping track of performance, managing payouts, and seeing who your star promoters are. It's pretty rewarding to see your team grow. And that's it. Your affiliate program is up and running, ready for action. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials for growing your online business. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your affiliate network.